Good morning, railroad fans, Cajon Pass. Hope you're all doing well and ready for the weekend. We sure are. Our first train of the day is going to be an S train coming up main track number 1, milepost 65, Blue Cut, Cajon Pass. It's out of Pier 400, Long Beach, California, going to Logistics Park, Elwood, Illinois. In the contest, we have BNSF 614. It's a rebuilt war bonnet. Now it's an AC44C4M. Know you're going to like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel, share with your family and friends, help us out on super thanks. We love you and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Thanks for watching.
And then that power's going to cut away and go back to the house to diesel, and then you can pull them out. So you're stuck in it.
Got a real heavy port stack train here, main track number 1, milepost 65. On the BNSF Cajon subdivision, Southern California. Let's enjoy. On the UP. Hopefully that'll be coming next. Got the 15 freeway up there. It's actually moving for a change. It's rare. This is a heavy train, loaded full of merchandise. It's pretty much high noon. I got the sun straight above me. It's kind of hard to tell how to shoot here. West coming, cool.
Yeah, you're in some, I need to hit a location and they know I'm perfect. No reverse mode.
That's this train.
Copy that back here at 69.1. Heading east towards Summit over here. Copy that. Thank you.
He's at 69 heading east. I don't know what that has to do with this train. I guess maybe they have to let this one pass first. We got another train tied down just our 500 yards down here on the west. The back of it. Front of it's probably in Keenbrook. Well, we made hump day. Where's today? Tuesday. Yeah. Some days it's easy and some days it's hard. Today's not the easiest day out here, but we're getting it done. It's kind of cool colors. LMK. You let me know. There's these little drummers in these containers. Let me out. Let me out. Help. Still hear that container tapping down there. God, I hope there is nobody in there. That'd be horrible. There's Jabber. Jabber's a graffiti dude, pretty famous. Well respected in his craft. And these little 40-foot containers in these 53-foot well cars. I need a westbound.
I need a running center.
See the well cars are marked on the side. They got 53, 40, 20. So when they put these 40s in the 53, they know exactly where to hop it. It's always centered. These are 40-footers here. The cloud cover here is saving me. So much easier to shoot when I got some clouds over my head. Plus it cools it down just a little bit. Alright, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and help us out with the super thanks. Share with your family and friends. Make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you'll never miss any of the great action. Alright, we're at Blue Cut. Milepost 65. Cajon Pass. We love you guys. We're going to catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. If you got some time, watch a couple more. Thanks. Let's be kind. Love you guys.